everyone. This is obviously not going to be a tutorial or any sort of review. This is just a video that I wanted to share with you, and it is just me unboxing my plaque that arrived from YouTube today. So I'm really excited to open it, and that's why I wanted to share it with you, but obviously it's not something that I could have achieved on my own. So I wanted to also take the opportunity in a minute to thank you all as well. But right now I'm literally just gonna open up this box and just see what's inside. Okay, so I think that's all the tape. So we've got a layer of foam on the top. Oh, the little card, it says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional." And then it just says this award has been inspected and packaged with great care. That's very nice. And then a little letter from YouTube. It just says, "You've done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel." And it just goes on a little bit. And then obviously it's signed by the CEO of YouTube. It's very nice. I'm so excited. I can't even get it out. Oh, I don't want to take it out of the packet. I don't want to get fingerprints on it. I'm just going to move the box a fraction. So you're probably going to get some of the reflection of the camera in the play button. So it just says, "Presented to Blossom Crochet for passing 100,000 subscribers." I'm trying to angle this so that it doesn't get my face in it or the camera or anything. But obviously it's so shiny, there's not really a lot I can do about that. It's a little bit dusty, so I'll just give it a wipe in a minute. But it looks amazing. I'm really happy with that. It looks so cool. But now obviously I just want to take a quick minute, literally only a minute, just to say thank you to everybody who has been following along on this journey with me. When I started last year, obviously I never thought I would actually get to this point. So to actually be here and have the plaque sitting in front of me is really exciting. And I'm very grateful to every single one of you. But I hope that obviously it will continue for a long while. But that is my silver play button from YouTube, and thank you all very much. But I will see you for a normal tutorial very soon. Obviously I know this is something a bit different, but I obviously did want to share it with everybody, and I have a lot of people that wanted to see me open it as well. So this is my Blossom Crochet 100,000 subscriber plaque from YouTube. So I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.